Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to learn 10 Korean words. Without wasting any time, let's start. First comes the Korean word for candy, and that is 사탕, 사탕. Okay, now let's see another word, and that is the Korean word for office. And office in Korean is called 사무실, 사무실. Okay, now let's see the next word, and that is needle. So the Korean word for needle is 바늘, 바늘. Now let's see how we are going to say cigarette in Korean language, and that is 담배, 담배. Now comes the next word, and that is thread. So thread in Korean is 실, 실. Very easy, right? Now let's see the Korean word for kitchen. Now there are two words, 부엌, 주방, 부엌, 주방. Okay, both of them, they refer to kitchen and they can be used interchangeably, right? Now let's see the next word, and that is dressing table. So in Korean it is called 화장대, 화장대. Next comes the Korean word for light bulb, and that is 전구, 전구. Now let's see how we are going to say chimney in Korean language, and that is 굴뚝, 굴뚝. Now the next one and the last one is the Korean word for doorbell, and that is 초인종, 초인종. Okay, so today we learned 10 very easy Korean words. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.